Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little walkthrough in case you may be struggling with Herodiana. This puzzle? Hopefully that was right. Starting off with the first one, I'm going to help you guys get every chest as well. There's a chest up there, in case you may want to get some cool collectibles. We're going to be using two spells, Accio and Depulso. So you're going to want to pull this towards you, push it forward, jump on up, and bam, you have the chest. And then you're just going to want to push this forward, and you're done. Now move it on to part 2. This one gets a little trickier, alright? You're going to want to push this forward first. Accio to this corner. Oh. Push forward again. Accio. Accio just like I did, so it's over there now. And now we're going to get this 2x1 out. Oh, wrong way. My bad. This way. We're going to want to jump on up. Accio that. And jump! There we go. Did I actually get 2 spectacles back to back? I really did, didn't I? And once you got the chest, you're going to want to jump on down. Accio this guy. Accio this guy. I guess you didn't even have to do the single one. What am I talking about? And this third one. This third one was a pain in my rear. Alright, let's get the chest first. You're going to want to push that forward. You're going to push that to the corner. Accio towards the reset button. Accio toward that standing platform over there. And Accio again. Let's first Depulso that. And then you have your third piece of gear. Now we're just going to reset. The secret about this puzzle is you're actually going to use the reset button to your advantage. So first Accio against the wall, then push it towards the reset button, then Accio again, jump across, reset, and when it's over there, Accio it again, and jump across. That's part 3 done. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and like if you liked the video, but that's it for me, guys. See ya.